Yes, peace. We just get that video a while ago, people. And tell me what I think about that one. You see me? Yeah, man, Port Maria. Boss up on the bridge and everything done. Everything just red, what I think. And I know me just get it. A long time thing or just our wagwan, you see me? Wanna just tell me wagwan. Like, share, and subscribe to the DNS family. You see me? Place kinda dark, and not really see me. But another thing go. Just do the match. Spam the comment.
But you said I get brighter and brighter, my friend. Huh? I get brighter, though? People say water change and turn red blood in a Port Maria town. Look how it turn red blood. And everybody come and test the water and then can't find a way to do it. Watch it. A sign a show, you know. Scientists come test the water and you know what make it so red. And then say it get redder. You see it? You see it, people? And then say this you don't want it. You see a box it out. You see? Look over here, son. Sure, no cross the road. And on a joke thing, you think God easy? See there? See there? You see the whole of the water turn red, the river water it turn red at Jamaica, yeah. So Port Maria, Jamaica, right on the bridge in the town, me see town there. Mummy no sign this. This is more than sign. See there, they wake up and see the river turn red. And you see the up there, so you see it up there, so and you see no want it. You see I fling it one side.
What is this?
You see what I go on? You see what I go on in Jamaica? Yeah. Too much evilness are gone. Too much evilness are gone. Port Maria River turn red like a blood. And scientists in it right now I try to find it out and can't find it out why it turn red. You see it? That me I tell you now. That me I tell you now. Me go cross the road and show you again. Me I show you again. See it there? The whole of the river turn red. You see it? And at Jamaica me there. Jamaica. Port Maria town. Okay? Look down there, son. Be careful. That's how you feel live good. Alright, me done chat. See me there now? On the bridge me there. See there? Red quarter ton boy. That's how you feel live good. You hear me say? Live good.